One word in life determines whether an individual's life is a success or a failure. Believe. Believe is only 7 words long, but it has a lot of weight in terms of growth and happiness. The ability to perform in the real world is determined by one's belief system. In general, we can categorize belief into 2 types: positive and negative belief. According to psychology, our environment and relationships play a significant part in determining the type of belief that an individual would adopt in his life. A great environment and healthy relationship will form a positive belief. A poor surrounding and failed relationship will lead us to a negative belief. However, in order to succeed in life, we must strengthen our belief system to the point where everything is possible to achieve. Strong belief keeps individual pushing every second to do something extraordinary in his life. Individual lives become more adventurous and full of vitality when they have strong beliefs. Whatever work we do, we must think from the beginning that it will be a big success. Let's take a look at this short narrative to understand more about belief. A bird leaves its nest early in the morning in search of food. She spent the entire day battling for food and survival. However, when the bird returns to her nest in the evening, her stomach is full with food. In this story, the bird teaches us to have a strong belief in ourselves. Bird had the strong belief that she could find food, and her strong belief filled her stomach with food. The majority of people around the world having difficulty believing in themselves. This led to them a big failure in their lives. In our society, there is a lack of good direction or channels that can help them in times of need. The way to making a firm or strong belief is to believe in our own abilities and skills. Regardless of how difficult life may be, we should keep telling ourselves, I believe in myself and I will get out of this circumstance as soon as possible. This thinking enhances our ability and body language to go that additional mile in our lives. Our belief that anything is possible and that I have the ability to achieve it will make us one of the world's wealthiest and most successful people.